And I have another quote for you. It was given to me by someone I used to work with called Silly Person. And they often said almost every day, how can anyone be so wrong so often and still have a job? The weatherman is terrible. And this person basically ripped on the weather forecast all the time like it was their main hobby. And I was always so astounded by this. The fact that someone could so easily tear down a career based on so much information. I had the opportunity to take a Earth and Atmospheric Science course about weather patterns when I was in university, and it was incredible how much information we learned on the most introductory level. Weather forecasting involves hideously complex weather systems. There is so much data available that needs to be parsed and interpreted, and then very fundamentally presented to us as end users of that information. There's a monumental amount of data there, and it takes years of education, lifetimes of experience to read and interpret these weather forecasts, and I find it absolutely incredible that we have the predictive abilities and the accuracy that we do for weather. And I've got this example here of how forecasting works, the accuracy of it over time, and we can see that forecasts within 3 days have a 95, almost 100% accuracy, and the further out you go, the 10-day forecast, not very great. It's very similar to what happens in the market. When we have short-term patterns, we know relatively confidently what's going to happen in the short term, but we lose that resolution and that accuracy as we extend out over time. So is the weatherman wrong? Yes, he can be wrong. Can a market technician or technical analysis be wrong? Yes, absolutely. But we take the information we have, we make our most informed decision, and then we take action based on that.